Hello guys, good day. Newcarsuae.com. Today we have a new shipment, 3 Mitsubishi L200 Sportero. We put already seat heaters here. L200 going to port. Now here we are at the port. Cars are about to enter free zone. So here is 2 gray L200 Sportero full option, and waiting to arrive one more vehicle, one bronze L200 with manual gear, full option with manual gear. It's on the way, but it's not going to be Sportero. This is another view from the back. Absolutely identical, same spec, same option. Painted black series bumpers, black door handles, black mirrors. Inside the car, shipping in the evening time. This is what makes Sportero different. Sportero full option from number 2. These buttons, okay? Super select. This trim even available in number 2, so some people get confused. So not to get confused, these 2 buttons should be there. That means full option. Seat heaters is what we put additionally. This is OEM type of buttons. When we talk about extra safety for your belongings, like ashtray and other stuff, we just lock this one. And ashtray, sometimes we put here. We just open this slightly on the side. We put some small things inside and put it there. Okay. See the heaters that we put here, it has already illumination. So they're pretty good. OEM type of, you can see high, low also. 2 option. Everything is with buttons. So 22, 23. This is 23 production, so it definitely has all the climate control, especially this is full option. All right, 17 kilometers, brand new car, bronze color. And this is with manual gear and Euro 4. So we can say this is from the manual gear. It is full option from the manual gear. With alloy wheel also. Rear bumper, front bumper painted. The corners, but not black, it's silver. And door handles are chrome. These door handles. Door trims like this. So this is a comparison. Yeah, there are no buttons here on the diesel manual. All right, it still have a monitor with this option. It has climate control buttons. We are putting the seat heaters over here. Manual gearbox, and it only has this control without 2 buttons. Okay. Leather is something that we add here additionally when the customer need. We can stitch the way, like see, this is the perforated type. Double stitch on the side, very nice and beautiful. Before it was just velour seat, it was fabric type. So we have integrated here heaters. This is a manual seat, not automatic, but Sportero full option has automatic with with automatic gearbox. This one is a manual seat, but also perforated. We stitch it the same way like the OEM type. Okay, full top and bottom, nicely done on the side. Because combination with gray doesn't seem to look so fine. But like this way, like OEM type, it look much more beautiful. Okay, that's the stitch. So it's not seat covers, guys. It's real eco leather. I mean the PVC leather, of course, not genuine leather, but it's quite good. all the cushioning with headrest, of course, and the second row, that's the passenger side, same way. Okay, that's the back second row, same style. So you can see that's a Euro 4 diesel, manual gear. This is how it looks like. Automatic power windows, power mirrors. There is no push start button in this option. Alright, climate control is there, double 2 zone, seat heaters. That's the seats, perforated leather. Alright, just the seats are manual instead of automatic. Sportero has power seats. And this is a pre-installed DVD with the camera, rear view, manual gearbox, guys. So you have to press like that. That will make a reverse. Okay, that's the option for the gearbox. No buttons. 2 buttons are not there. Sportero has it. Alright, speedometer, look this way. The halogen headlights are more yellow compared to Sportero again. That's also some difference also there. Black, gloss black trims for the window levers. This one the first, that one is already moving in. That one is the first, this one is the second one. And this is the third one, Sportero gray. Moving.